Hello, my name is Louie2467 and I'm going to help you in web browsing tips. Now, here we are at google.com. Let's look at some things here. This is the important toolbar right here. Tools, Help, Favorites, View, Edit, File. From File, you can go up here. You can give new tabs, duplicate. You can duplicate this tab, make another Google. You can open up a new window. It'll be a blank page. New session, which will be another Google thing, whatever your home page is. I'll get to that in a minute. You can open up stuff from here. You can edit from Microsoft Word. Print the page that you're currently seeing. You can send this by email or shortcut this to the desktop. Properties. That basically, let's go to properties. Tells you about Google. Right now it is 51 megabytes. So, here you have favorites right down here. Click on favorites. Here you can view your history of up to 3 weeks ago. You can view it by date, size, site, most visited, order visited today, or search history total. Let's look at the search history. You can search for history there. Favorites. These favorites, they're a pain to get rid of because you have to do them one at a time. Let me do you one here. Right click. You're going to delete and hit yes, and it takes you off of that. So you have to redo it. You have to come back. It could take a while depending on how much you have. Your feeds, let's click on those. These are stuff where other people can get into it. Let me see here. From Google, I'm not going to go over sites. I'm just going to go over browsing the web. Now, I have Internet Explorer. There's also Mozilla Firefox, and there's also Google Chrome, which you can get from this site. I like Internet Explorer because it comes with a computer. You don't have to download anything extra. It keeps it all together. Now, to go to a new web page, you can click on the URL site. You want to do www. Whatever the site is. You don't have to. It'll still go, but it will not be a secure connection, as in people can get on your computer easier if you don't use the www. Those 3 letters stand for World Wide Web. The .com is .commercial, .gov is .government, .net is another form of government. Commercial is anybody can really get on it, get a site of a commercial for free. Let's go to a different site. Let's go to YouTube. The home, and it will show you. Here's Louie2467. That is me. We'll go to my page. Here we are. Okay, I know that seemed really fast. The thing is, I paused it. Now, let me see here. We're not worried about the site really. I just told you how to get to it. Up here you have a search from Google. That is my main search engine for about everything I have. And basically from there, let's move on to antivirus. You want to get antivirus that will basically have web protection on them. My Avira antivirus, it's free from download.com. It all works. Let's open up a new tab. To get a new tab, you can do this. Okay. Here we are. Okay, blank page. You will come up here, about : blank. You can make your page here. Right click it. You can go to duplicator. You can open up a new tab from here. We're not going to worry about that just yet. Exit off of this. You can set your home page here. I don't know the right toolbars up. Let's go to Internet Options. That's important. Here we are. Here's your home page. This is my home page, Facebook. we can make it whatever we want. We can make more than one. If you make more than one, it will, however, open up in more than one tab. You have to put the http / World Wide Web .commercial or .whatever. You can delete your browsing history on exit. You can search, change the search defaults. You can change how web pages are displayed in tabs. Let's look at the settings here. Anyway, that's how you get to all of that. We're going to move on here. Don't want this video being too long. Security. Internet. Security level, I have it medium. You don't want it too high. You don't want it too low. Local intranet. Intranet is a local server. It's not internet. It's like if you're in a school or a big hospital or something, they all run on one server, you know. They can be connected. Trusted sites and restricted sites. Move on to privacy. I have it on low. You don't want it too high or too low. Mine might be a little too low. You want pop-up blocker. Those are really annoying to get. Let me see here. Content. I'm going over it real briefly here. I'm not 100% sure on here, so if anybody can help me out, leave some comments on the video. Connections. You can add different connections from different servers. Programs. The things your internet can use. All of this stuff. Okay, default web browser. You can make it Internet Explorer or anything else. Add-ons. Managing add-ons. The more you have, the longer it takes for your home page to open when you first open it. Okay. Let me see here. What we're going to do is look through our add-ons. I wish you could open it fully. Well, we can. We can open it fully. Go down here, and that's another thing is really important to work in your web pages. Okay. I have a Vera search toolbar. We can disable whatever we want. Let me see here. All that stuff's disabled. Freecorder, that's what I'm using. If you want to download YouTube videos, Google stuff, HP stuff, you know, all the stuff you can disable or enable. Less you have, the less time it takes for your internet to start. Okay, advanced. These are for advanced users only, so I will get to that in another part. Okay, let's close all this out. This has been How to Browse the Web by Louis2467. Thanks.